What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you? Are you good? So today I'm gonna show you a new concealer that really came in. I'm gonna unpack it from it just arrived, so I'm gonna use it on the mannequin. So let's show you the concealer. So this is the package. Let's see. I'm gonna show you it cleverly. So this is the new Maybelline New York concealer. And what I like about it, it really like gives you a multi-concealer corrector, multi-usage, right? It really gives you, it's a new Maybelline New York concealer. What I like about it, it really, it's not too shady. It's really good for everyday today use. So I really like it. What I like about it, it's the color. The color, as you see, it's really like, it's not dark, even dark. It's really good. You can apply it in the mannequin. So it's really cool actually. Let's open it. So this is the Maybelline New York new concealer. It comes with an eraser corrector, multi-usage. What I like about it, it's really like cool. Let me show you it in a moment. So okay guys, so let's use it on the mannequin. Moment, we are a bit out. So we put it here, let's say, on the side. What I like about it, now the right way to apply concealer, I'm gonna teach you a good technique here. The right way to put a concealer is you need to use it on the side of the eyebrows. You don't use it beneath the cheekbones because then it will be messy. So what you do is you take the concealer on the mannequin, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it very good. So you take it now, you open it slowly, you go here. You don't put it on the cheekbone. This is the wrong way to put it on a mannequin. What you do is you put it here, then you put it up. So you can see it's like a V shape. You can put it here and up, right? So how it looks. Bit mess here. Okay, let me show you. So what I like about this concealer, it's not too shady. It really gives your face like a soft look. It really, if you put it here on the sides, like here, oh, look how it looks. Oh, you see, not too shady, not too good. This is the new Maybelline New York multi-usage concealer eraser. So if you guys want to buy it, you can click the link below. I didn't put it yet, but it's really good. You can use it, you can apply it, and the right way is still not, remember guys, don't put it here, bend the eyes, right? It's not good. You put it here, like this, you see? So this is the new Maybelline New Yorker, yeah. So what I like about it, it's really very compact. You can really put it, you can take it anywhere. It's really not that even heavy. So it really comes in this really pinky maybelline color. So if you use it, it's really good for everyday today use, especially for women. You can actually put it on the side. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. Oh. Let me just show you closer. It really gives this mannequin head. You like it, don't you? I like it. So what I like about it, it's the shade is very good. You can put it on the sides like this one. Let me show you. Oh, maybe a bit mess right here and on the sides. Yes, that's what we do. So that's what I like about this concealer. So this is the right way to apply concealer on a mannequin.